Hello guys, today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to play the full song of the very popular Hello by Adele. Okay, so let's go ahead and learn how it goes. Okay, the start starts with a very short introduction, which is 4 chords, and these 4 chords pretty much appear throughout, like, I guess, most of the song, okay? Most of the verse and stuff. First, here are the introduction, the 4 chords is these chords on the left hand, just the left hand, okay? There's no right hand for the start. There's 4 chords for the introduction. So it goes F minor, F, A flat, C. Then it goes to A flat major, which is A flat, C, E flat. Then it goes down to E flat major, E flat, G, B flat. Then it goes to D flat major, which is D flat, F, A flat. Those are the 4 chords for the introduction. Okay, one more time. So it's F minor, A flat major, E flat major, D flat major. Okay, so remember these 4 specific chords because this 4 chords in the introduction is actually the exact same 4 chords that loops around throughout the verse 1 and verse 2 later on that we're going to learn. Okay, so that's the introduction, and then let's move on to verse 1. Okay, so verse 1, as what I said before, is the 4 chords repeated over again, and then the right hand is like this. Okay, I'll give you a preview of what it sounds like first. Here it is. Here's a preview. Okay, so that was pretty long, right? But you can see the left hand is always playing those 4 chords over again, and the right hand is just doing those. Actually, it's most of the time it's just alternating between 5 notes only, 4 notes, okay? So there's only 4 notes for the right hand, but just in different order and different numbers, okay? So let's go ahead and break up this verse 1, very long verse 1, into parts, and let's go ahead and, yeah, take a attempt on it, okay? So at the start, it goes like this. It goes B flat C on the right hand, and then 2 B flats, and then it goes A flat, and then 6 C's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, and then 2 B flats, and then it goes A flat, B flat, and it goes C, B flat, and then it goes F, A flat. Okay, just like that. Okay, so that's the first part of verse 1. Let's do it again, recap it, and just take a few moments to do it. So let's go. So it goes B flat C, and then 2 B flats, and then it goes A flat, and then 6 C's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 B flats, and then A flat, B flat, and it goes C, B flat, and it goes F, A flat, just like that. Okay, that's the right hand for the first part of verse 1. Okay, the left hand, the chords, is just the 4 chords repeated twice, so there's 8 chords, so it's just F minor, A flat major, and back to E flat major, and back to D flat major, and repeat that chord cycle one more time, so F minor, A flat major, E flat major, D flat major. With those 8 chords in mind, because you already know that from the introduction, let's go ahead and put the 2 hands together and tell you where to place it. So the first note, right hand is by itself, and then C is with F minor chord together, like that. And then left hand by itself, A flat major by itself. And then second B flat is with E flat major together, D flat major by itself. The right hand comes in with A flat. So 2 C's, after 2 C's, F minor by itself, and then third and fourth by itself on the right hand. And then the 5th C with A flat major together, like that, and then 2 B flats. After the B flat, E flat major by itself, and then right hand comes in, and then F and D flat major together, just like that. Okay, let's do it again. So right hand goes together, here, together, here, here, together, here, together, just like that. That's the first part of the chorus. Oh, not chorus, verse. Okay, so that's the first part of verse 1. Okay, now let's move on to the second part of verse 1. It's pretty, since it's so long. So it goes like this. Right hand goes A flat and then 2 C's, and then B flat, A flat, just like that. And then 4 fast B flats plus a C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then C, yeah? And then this time is 2 slow Cs, and then 6 fast Cs, kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just that thing we did before, and then it goes B flat, A flat, and then it goes A flat, B flat, B flat, and then C, B flat, and down to F, and then A flat, just like that. Okay, one more time for this second part of verse 1. Feel free to just write down the notes so you don't forget. So let's go ahead and do it again. So it goes A flat and 2 Cs, and then B flat, A flat, 4 B flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and plus a C, and then 2 slow Cs, and then 6 fast Cs in the pulse thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then B flat, A flat, and then A flat, B flat, B flat. So 3 notes: A flat, B flat, B flat, fast. Yeah, like that. And then it goes C, B flat, and then it goes F, A flat, just like that. Okay, so that's the right hand for that second part of verse 1. Left hand, once again, is those 8 chords. It's just a 4 chord series times 2. So it's F minor, A flat major, E flat major, D flat major. Repeat that again: F minor, A flat major, and E flat major, D flat major. Easy, right? Because you know these chords already. And now let's put the turns together. That's the main thing we need to focus. So right hand goes A flat, and then C, C, and then instantly F minor by itself, and then right hand comes in. And then after A flat major by itself, and then 4 B flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and after the B flat, right after that is E flat major by itself. And after the C, D flat major by itself. After those 4 C's, F minor by itself, and then the C and A flat major together, like that. Second B flat and E flat major together, and then F and D flat major together, just like that. Let's do it again. So here, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, here, 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 together, 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 just like that. Okay, remember to get those parts together and not together, because that makes it sound like what it's meant to sound like. Okay, so that's the second part of this verse 1. Okay, now moving on to the third part of verse 1. Right hand goes B flat, C, and then 3 B flats, and then C. Okay, and then it goes A flat, and then 6 C's with that same pulse pattern thing again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 B flats, and it goes A flat, B flat, and it goes C, B flat, and it goes F, A flat. Okay, and then yeah, okay, that's the third part. Let's just call this the third part. Okay, so let's do it again. So B flat, C, 3 B flats, and then C, and then A flat, and then 6 pulsing Cs, 1, 2, 3, 4.